Yeah, I was so happy about his little outfit. Hey, today's a fashion day for me and for folks. We be out here looking nice, while you do music. I do music, and so sometimes I don't even get dressed. So this one of the days that I got dressed. So shout out to the fashionists. Shout out to everybody on the fashion list. We A-listers, Ado. I'll be doing lots of letters, ABCs. I'll be making beats. And so I am Ray. This is Ray. Ray Studios. Ray, usually freestyle. And so today I wrote something, what I'm saying? So I'll be also freestyle at the end of the life or end it before in the beginning. I'm not sure, what I'm saying, but I will be doing music. That's my forte. That's what I like to do for the days, and to rhyme in riddles. And so I'll riddle this, I'll riddle that. I talk in rhyme and rhythmatic with the rhythm and the fathoming. What I'm saying? Just the freestyle I'm doing now, but I will be what I'm saying, singing, rapping too. Also, things that I wrote. I usually do one or the other. But right, all right, here we get to it. All right, all right, it's Ray. All right, what? We doing lots of things. We will be doing lots of things. This is Ray hosting the musical, the live. Yay, it's Ray. All right, we go. I wonder if you can see me, man. Oh, all right. Here we go. All right, here we go. All right, so this is a song that I did freestyle yesterday. I freestyled it and no beat to it right now at this moment in time. I will play it real fast, and so you can check that out on our outlets right now. I don't particularly again have a beat to it right now. I will play it, and it might not be as clear as if you were to go, listen to it where I did, put it formatically in the form of, what I'm saying, what I mean? So this is great. And so this is one of my actual songs that it's very light. I'm gonna explain to you lots of explaining today. It's very light. Um, I sing a type of different ways. So this is one of the light ways. Light melodies, soft. You know what I mean? So we coasting through with the harmony as just being settling. Setting in the tone of getting ready to do all type of sound, you know. So this is really here right now. We here right now. Think about everything that makes us smile right now. Or it was here right now. Oh yeah, so we be laughing, enjoying ourselves. Here for all of us. Here right now, 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 enjoying the presence of the being, singing machine. It is real. I'll be thinking about us being here and happy, happy. Happiness is happening here right now. Hearing the breeze. H-E-R-I-N-G-S-I-N-G-I-N-G is what I'm doing. Yeah. R-A-Y is right. Right here in this moment in time. You know what I'm saying? Just thankful, thanking everybody here right now, here right now. I will be, sharing my writings also. This was a freestyle. I'm actually going to do my song over the freestyle. You know, I'm gonna read what I wrote, rap and sing to what I didn't write. You know, so that's the combination of rapping and singing. I got all different type of styles. You know, and so that's the freestyle in the background that I did do that I'll be playing back during the live. I'll be playing back the songs and all that. You know, I'll be playing back the songs that I did do. I did. D-I-D. Do. D-O. Yo. I like to do that music though. So I shall, do thou music. The music. Yeah, Miss yeah. So this is already one. I did right today. I did freestyle all the time. You know, I did write all the time also. Sometimes I combined the two, you know what I mean? That combination, one, two, you know what I'm saying? 1-2 combo. So there we go with some very nice music that I wrote and that I, just also uttered into the very nice mystic, mysterious way that we like to do magic. You know what I'm saying? So I just be talking like whatever. You know what I mean? So I actually just state, say, rap, sing, and freestyle. Just anything that I'm actually saying. I'm thinking. And so sometimes I just jot down what I'm thinking that is writing music. Sometimes I just say it on the recorder, or I just say it in general with the my fellows, fellow friends, just anywhere. I'll be out in the community doing all type of things, doing all type of nice doings is what we do, and being communicative, conversing, being that one like to converse, converting sound to one sound, to pack all the sound together impactful with the impact. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing here. All right, here we go. And so I might just go acapella first so that you can hear me. I might be going acapella first so that you can hear the verse. In the universe is what we is. It's what we like to recognize. I was kinda organized this time, 'cause I be all over the place for place. Like sound, be sound for sound, sound is sound. It's just a